How to screen mirror Android to PC or laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can screen mirror Android to PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to download an application that is letsview on both of your Android device and as well as your Windows or Mac computer. So for that, open up Play Store in your Android device and in the search bar, search for letsview. So this is a free application that you can install both on your Android device and on your laptop. Here tap on install. Also install letsview application in your Windows or Mac computer. Now once the installation is complete, make sure that both of your devices are connected under the same Wi-Fi network. And if it's not connected under the same Wi-Fi network, then it will not work. So make sure that it is connected under the same Wi-Fi network. Once you're done with that, now you have to open up the letsview application. If you have already installed the application, open up letsview on your phone and it should automatically detect your computer. From there, tap on your PC name from the list and then choose an option phone screen mirroring. Then simply tap on start now when it's asked for permission and your Android screen is now live on your PC screen. After that, you could stream games, videos or even record tutorials. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.